Imagine this. You just returned from a relaxing hotel stay, only to discover you've brought home the one thing you never wanted, bed bugs. These tiny hitchhikers can turn your home into a nightmare.
But did you know that bed bugs aren't just a nuisance? They're a liability? In today's video, we'll reveal how to protect yourself when you suspect a hotel stay has led to a bed bug infestation at home. In today's video, we'll reveal how to protect yourself when you suspect a hotel stay has led to a bed bug infestation at home. Even better, we'll walk you through the exact steps to get the hotel to take responsibility for the extermination costs. You shouldn't have to pay for their mistake. Learn how to turn the tables and make them cover the costs. Stay tuned to discover how to handle this tricky situation like a pro and ensure you don't end up footing the bill. Let's dive in.
Welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling a concern many travelers have, bringing bed bugs home after a hotel stay. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the steps you should take to protect yourself and ensure peace of mind. First things first, always inspect your hotel room before you settle in for the night or before you check out. It might feel like an inconvenience, but trust me, a few minutes of inspection can save you from weeks of stress. Start by checking the mattress seams, the headboard, and any upholstered furniture. Look for small reddish-brown spots, tiny white eggs, or even the bed bugs themselves. If you find anything suspicious, don't panic, just take a picture. Take clear photos with a smartphone, ensuring that the pictures include both the evidence and the surrounding area to provide context. Make sure your photos are clear and detailed. Capture not just the evidence, but also where it was found in the room. This context will be crucial later if you need to make a case to the hotel. Now let's fast forward a bit. You're home, and a few days later you or a family member notice bites, or you start finding what looks like bedbug evidence. It's easy to jump to conclusions, but here's where you need to stay calm. Don't assume right away that it's bedbugs. Remember, staying calm and collected is key. Your emotional state plays a significant role in how you handle the situation. Stress and panic can cloud your judgment and lead to unnecessary actions. Carefully inspect your home just as you did at the hotel. Look for similar signs and document anything you find. If you suspect an issue, it's time to contact a professional, but remain level-headed. There are many other potential causes for bites, and assuming it's bed bugs without evidence can lead to unnecessary stress. So, to recap, always inspect your hotel room before settling in or before you leave. Take detailed photos of any suspicious signs, and if you notice issues at home later, stay calm and don't jump to conclusions. Your composure is your best asset in handling a potential bedbug situation. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow travelers. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on staying bedbug free and living with peace of mind. Safe travels, and see you next time. Check out previous video thumbnails and check the subscribe button.